So today's video is review and tutorial on the brand new, the latest Summer Fridays launch. You guys know it's one of my favorite skincare brands. I have a discount code for anything on their site. It's hollkward Beauty for 15% off. I'll leave it down in the description box below, as well with a link to their site and this brand new product launch. So the new launch is a new lip butter balm flavor, and it's in sweet mint. So this is a best-selling lip butter balm probably for a bunch of years. It's the Allure magazine best lip balm award, but I feel like they win it every year. It's just kind of known as being best lip balm. It's definitely one of my favorites. A few flavors now. This is the little card. These are all the flavors they have. I will leave a link for all the videos I've done on past flavors. I think I've done them all down below if you're curious on any of the other flavors and my thoughts on them, how I apply them, what they kind of look like. Latest one I'm going to be reviewing and doing a little tutorial for you. So it's the classic squeeze tube applicator packaging in a light green, beautiful light green kind of color, twist off with it has a little bit of lip liner on it because I just did the tutorial. It has a clear curved end that just fits the contour of your lip. And this specific flavor, sweet mint, doesn't have a tint to it. It's just clear like a lip balm flavor, but obviously does have that mint kind of taste and scent. So a really nice idea for a fresh kind of touch me up lip that you can take on the go, or you just feel a little bit like glossy, freshened up, put together. So I'll show you guys how I apply it just for a little revamp and how it kind of looks and feels on me. Okay, I have no lip on quite yet. I'm going to show you guys how I like to apply my lip, and specifically this new Summer Fridays lip product. I always start off by using a lip liner. I'm using the Rare Beauty lip liner in Bold today. Overline on the bottom middle of my lip, and then just trail up the sides just on my natural lip line. And the same at the top of my lip. And then I also like to fill in the corners to add a little depth and dimension and color when I'm using a clear balm or gloss. Or that's like a light color. Then I'll go in with the new Summer Fridays lip butter balm, classic squeeze tube container, and a beautiful light green color, and it has the same application, the perfect shape of the lip that matches your lip contour. And the color of this is clear. It's a normal lip balm color, it has no tint to it. Apply a little on the top and bottom, and then just make sure my corners are blended in. And that is the final look. Love this lip butter balm. I love the formula just in general. Your lips so glossy and glowy, as you can tell. This has a really nice fresh mint flavor to it that just is kind of a great flavor idea for on the go. Perfect for on the go when you want a little freshen up of your lips and you just feel a little more like fresh, you know what I mean? Hope you enjoyed this video. We like this review and tutorial on the brand new Summer Friday lip butter balm launch in the sweet mint flavor. Don't forget to use my discount code, like I mentioned, hollkward Beauty for 15% off. Anything on the summerfridays.com website, I will leave it down below, as well as a link to the site. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at holl_ward on YouTube. I post every single week. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me over there as well at holl_ward. So as always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.